Product roadmap is really just looking at that product vision and saying, am I fulfilling it? Am I enhancing it? Am I aligning this and making sure my vision is being maintained? Or if I haven't have a new product, establishing it in the first place, but actually maintaining the vision where it needs to be for this product. And if everything's perfect, go work on a different product. Or you can go back to that Value Plus and say, can we make it better so competitions make it harder for them to come in?
Here's the devil's advocate again. How often do you move the goalposts in terms of how often do you revisit the vision? How often should you not be tampering with it? Because I can see someone gaming the system by moving the vision around, and they still get things that their rogue sales guy needs to get done under the umbrella of the vision still works. Is there a guidance you have for product managers and how often they introduce that? Is that something that you do at an annual board meeting? Is it something you do quarterly?
Yeah, I don't think it's any more quickly than annual. I think there are some industries where annual is too fast. Let's take automobiles. I don't think your product vision for automobiles changes but once every 5 years. My Lexus TX, every 5 years, I need to revisit and make sure our customers are still alive. I mean, we're constantly looking at the roadmap to make sure we maintain the position, because that's the beauty of acceptance criteria as the driver, is that technologies will change, though the criterion never does. Again, using luxury in our example of the power windows. Power windows once met that definition, but then I needed power steering. I needed power brakes. I needed more technologies to maintain that luxury position. I needed the AM radio at one time to maintain that position. And so we keep bringing technologies in, but the acceptance criteria never changed. Now the question becomes, when have we misunderstood our customer? Or when has our customer shifted that they no longer care about that, they care about something else? Like we could say in this area of climate change, that there might be, you say, you know what, our customers have stopped caring about power as much as they care about the environmental impact. We want that same customer, but they've actually shifted. They've changed the thing. They don't do that very quickly. Something on an automobile, maybe once every few years, you need to go back and check that vision and make sure it's still aligning with the customers that you're trying to go after. If you're in a more dynamic space, I think no more than annually, you need to go back and check that. Though the roadmap, again, will then adjust based upon if you adjusted your vision. You're saying, well, that problem used to be a problem, but it's not a problem anymore. So let's take that off the roadmap and put something else that's going to deliver better ROI. We could spend money on that, but probably won't change our position at all. Not that frequently. It should be a fairly stable thing if you talk about acceptance criteria. If you talk about features, if that's your product roadmap is features and your product vision is just our product does these things, then it's changing every 5 days.
It's a living, breathing thing for sure.
Technology changes. And yeah. One of the things I love to say, when you don't understand the problem, every solution is equally valid. What the hell? What do you want to build? We can build it. Okay.
Is there a way to vet these things that actually is